Hi, everybody. Welcome to November. It's a pleasure to contact you this morning and talk about who is going to win our prizes for our second Walking Curriculum 30-Day Challenge. It's been a real pleasure following all of your posts and your tweets and seeing all the exciting things you're doing with your students outside. So I really hope you continue to get outside and engage students with the wonderful world they're a part of. Today, the prizes, we have two great sponsors. Maple Organics, thank you very much. Canada's fully organic pharmaceutical company has donated $100 worth of products for us, a family immunity kit, and we'll be drawing for that in just a moment. And our second sponsor is Deep Time Walk Organization in the United Kingdom, which, if you've looked at the app, has this amazing journey through time, all paired up with a walking distance of 4.6 kilometers, I think. And what they've really generously donated are two Deep Time card kits, which will really expand your ability to teach with this app, and also a set of bookmarks that will enrich your teaching as well. So thank you both to those sponsors for making this such a fun occasion today. This is my daughter's trick-or-treating bin, and she's been using it for a very long time, and I love it, and I thought it would be a great place to put your names for our draw. So here we go. Drawing now for the Maple Organics Family Immunity Kit. And the winner is Sarah Schneer. Congratulations, Sarah. We'll be in touch about that. Woo, Sarah! Now for the Deep Time Walk Org card kit. The first package of cards and bookmarks goes to Mike Foley. Congratulations, Mike. So fun. Thank you. If we didn't have sponsors, we wouldn't be doing this. Here we go. Here we go. And who is our third winner of that second set of cards and bookmarks? The winner is Laurel Larmond. Congratulations. So thank you, everybody, and stay tuned for future things coming out of CERSI that'll get our students outdoors and engaged. Bye for now.